Okay, I'm returning to the repair of this Rally Pong Clone game by 4Play. Last time I worked on this, it didn't have audio, and the graphics for or the scorekeeping was not being done correctly. Scorekeeping involves a 74-48 and of course a bunch of other chips, but this is what determines the characters. So I'll start looking at that. But first I want to figure out this audio problem. So let me see what I can come up with and I'll be back. Okay, audio problem has been figured out. It was a problem with my wiring of the connector. I had the wrong wire going to the harness. Well, how do I describe that? There's a bunch of wires in this, okay, and one of them wasn't going right. I connected the wrong wire. So that's been fixed. We have sound now. Sounds pretty good too. Yep. So sounds are excellent. Very good. So now I'm going to focus on the scoring problem. I'll be back. Okay, so there's a chip that makes these numbers, 0, 1 through 9. Okay, that chip is right here on the schematics. It's a 7448. It has inputs of A, B, C, and D. Okay, A, B, C, and D come from these two 2-to-1 mux demuxes. These are 74-153s. So I've checked the outputs on these, and one of them the outputs are constantly changing, and on the other it's not. On C6 they're not changing. They never change. So I suspect this chip is bad. I'm going to try replacing this chip at C6 and see if that doesn't fix the scoring. Okay, so the chip I'm about to replace is this one. And if you look at it just right, you'll see there's a little bump there. That tells me that it got hot internally and bulged out the plastic in that one spot. So there is a very good chance this is the problem. The other one is here, and it looks like it's in pretty good shape. So let me replace this one, see if that doesn't fix the scoring. Okay, so I put a 74-153 in where I think the bad one was. Let's see if that fixes the scoring. That doesn't look good. Let's see, let's do a reset. Oh, okay, yeah, that looks okay. All right, good. That looks good. Oh, yeah. Yep. So I think the scoring is working. Okay, well, everything seems to be working. Paddles, scoring, audio, gameplay. I think this board's 100%. Let's see if it will end. I have it set to 15 points to end the game. First person to 15. Okay, it's 11. So it's either 11 or 15. So it didn't end the game at 11, which is correct. It should wait until 15. 13, two more. Okay, game over at 15. In previous runs, I was playing to 11 points, so that circuit has been tested. Everything's working. This board is over. It's finished. It works. I replaced, let's see, I replaced 1, 2, 3 chips. And the audio did not have a problem with the board. It was a wiring problem with my harness. So let's see what we had. A scoring problem. We had a server delay problem, the server timer, and I can't remember what the other problem was. Anyway, I'll review the video. Whatever 3 problems it had have been or fixed with these 3 chips. Everything's looking great, and this is excellent. This is considered the 7th video game released ever, coin-operated game. So a bit of history, kind of neat. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.